So why do we need to study STS as general course education is necessary? So I'm going to explain how science, technology, and society is necessary to be enrolled in our every program in our university. Studying science, technology, and society as general education course is necessary because it provides a comprehensive understanding of the interplay between science, technology, and society. This understanding is crucial in any degree program as it equips students with knowledge to make informed decisions about the impact of science, technology, and society. Science, technology, and society are what we call STS. Is an interdisciplinary field that explores the complex relationship between science, technology, and society. So it deals into how science and technology shape society and how society in turn influences the development of science and technology. As general education course, STS offers students a holistic perspective on the societal implications of scientific and technological advancements. Therefore, this is particularly relevant in today's world where science and technology play a pivotal role in shaping our daily lives, economies, and even global politics. For the students who are enrolled in any program, understanding STS can provide valuable insights into the ethical, cultural, political, and economic dimensions of how science and technology. This knowledge can help students navigate the rapidly evolving technological landscape and make informed decisions about the societal implications of these advancements. So, I'm going to talk about the relationship between science, technology, and society from my field as first year student, forestry, and Central Mindanao University. So, in the future, I am being called a forester. So, I'm going to talk the relationship between science, technology, and society, and how it works, or the relationship between them. The relationship between science, technology, and society is crucial, especially from my perspective as a first year forestry student. So, science provides the knowledge and understanding of ecological systems, biodiversity, and the impact of human activities on forests. So, technology offers tools and innovations such as GIS, mapping, remote sensing, and sustainable logging practices, which help in managing and conserving forests more effectively. So, society in turn influence and is influenced by how forests are managed. Sustainable forestry practices are vital for ensuring that forests continue to provide ecological, economic, and social benefits. As a forestry student, understanding this interplay is key to promoting sustainable development and conservation's effort that balance environmental health and societal needs. So I'm going to explain the main tool of the foresters that been using for today's generation is GIS, Geographic Information Systems. So it can enhance forest management, conservation, and research. So here are some ways GIS mapping helps foresters. Number one, forest inventory and management. Number two, wildfire management. Number three, biodiversity conservation. Number four, forest health monitoring. Number five, land use planning. Number six, resource allocation and infrastructure planning. So, overall, GIS mapping enhances the ability of foresters to manage forest sustainability, protect biodiversity, and respond to environmental challenges. And that's all. Thank you.